Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is time to do another Stitch Fix unboxing, and I gotta tell you, this one just kind of inspired me, mainly because it challenged me to think outside the box with how I would style some of these pieces. So I'm so excited to show you what I ended up doing. So the first thing my stylist Jessica grabbed for me was this white top here. You guys know I'm such a huge fan of white tops, especially in the warmer months, and there's so many details about this top that I just love. Oh, it's so feminine and beautiful. Love the crochet work along the neckline that extends to the shoulders, and I love how it also goes down to the bottom of the hem of the top, and also how it extends along the shoulder. Now this is a 3/4 length sleeve, which is elasticized, which you guys know is not my preference. Sadly, as gorgeous as this top is, because you'll see that beautiful feminine detail work continues in the back, this top is 100% rayon, so it's not going to be something I'm going to be adding to my collection. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm in the process of flipping all synthetics out of my closet in favor of eco-friendly, natural fibers, things like cotton and linen. So unfortunately, this isn't going to make the cut. But if you guys are looking for a top that is flowy and feminine and fun and just gorgeous, definitely check this out. In fact, I will see if I can find this on the retailer's website and link it for you down below. So another rayon top that literally when I pulled it out of the box, I was just kind of like, but once I styled it, really fell in love with it. Oh, I wish this had been cotton. Love, again, all those beautiful feminine details. They have a ruffle detailing that extends along the neckline down to the end of the 3/4 length sleeve, which I think is just such a sweet touch. This does have major flow factor to it. It's so comfortable on. And then it does have a significant high-low situation going on, which is great if you want to keep it untucked, especially if you want to wear it with something like white jeans, which we've talked about before, can be really unforgiving, and a high-low top can give you great coverage in the back. Okay, so the piece out of this entire box that literally inspired me the most, which was kind of bizarre because at first I was like, oh, a green sweatshirt, like great. Obviously, like, what do we think of when we see a top like this? Athleisure, right? Like totally laid back day. I'm gonna throw this on with like a pair of leggings and just kind of bum around the house. Honestly though, I wanted to challenge myself to see how I can glam up something as simple as an oversized sweatshirt. Now, this style I do like because it does have a drop shoulder, which I've talked about before. I just think a drop shoulder adds such an effervescent look to a garment. It does have a nice cuff at the end of the sleeves, and it does have a nice cuff too at the bottom of the hem. Again, this is very oversized, but super fun to think about. Like, okay, if I'm gonna add a sweatshirt like this to my collection, I wanna get like bang for my buck out of it, right? Like, what can I do to just kind of like keep my wardrobe fun, keep my outfits looking fresh and kind of flirty and a little bit vampy? So you're gonna see how I decided to style this to kind of like embody the vibe I was going for. Guys, seriously, don't ever be afraid to have fun with fashion. It is so much fun to just experiment and like switch things up. It keeps everything really fresh and keeps you inspired too. So one thing I'm starting to realize about my stylist, Jessica, is she just knows me. I actually get a kick out of when she sends me something that I basically already have in my closet because it means that she really gets my style. I have an exact dupe for these already in my collection, but if you're looking for like the perfect kind of like elevated casual jogger, this is going to be right up your alley. That olive tone is so perfect for year-round usage. If you want to wear it in the colder weather, just do some strategic layering. Guys, this is a rayon cotton spandex blend that is so comfortable on. It literally feels like suede. It is very luxurious feeling. Now this is a skinny leg, which does have a proper cuff and it does have functional pockets in the back. I love pants like this just because I will wear them constantly with something as simple as a plain white cotton tank top, throw on like a gorgeous denim jacket, and it makes it look like you put all this effort into your outfit when really it took about 2 minutes. Okay guys, and last item for this box, Jessica included a windbreaker for me, and while I love the white and blue striping, which is so fresh and crisp for the summertime, this is way oversized. Oh my gosh, this is a small. Honestly, I would probably need like an extra small to get this to fit the way I would want it to, but I really appreciate the design elements that went into this jacket, namely for the tortoiseshell buttons that add such a sweet elevated touch, and I love the nod to nautical with this little rope detailing for the drawstrings. One strange design element though about this little flap here above the zippered pouch is so stubborn. Obviously, as you can see, it's constantly like flipping up. It would not stay down, so that would just annoy the living daylights out of me. But otherwise, this is very comfortable on. It's extremely roomy, as I said. So as I mentioned, it does have a hood, and then strangely, it has this like split at the bottom, again with those drawstrings hanging down, which kind of creates a strange look in my opinion. Like literally you throw this on and you're just like, ugh, I just want to be at the beach so badly. Okay guys, so that'll do it for my 60th fix, and like I said, I just had a really fun time styling a lot of these pieces. A lot of them were pleasant surprises because when I pulled them out of the box initially it was just like eh, but then once I styled them I really came to enjoy at least the design elements of them, even if it wasn't something I ultimately decided to add to my collection. If you guys are interested in giving Stitch Fix a go, I do have a referral code down below. If you use it, it'll kick a 25 bucks off your first fix, and as a courtesy the company will also kick me a $25 credit to use as well. But in any event, thank you guys so much for spending your time with me today. I hope you're having a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!